Hey guys, welcome to a new series, and this is going to be called Creative Blue Series. As you can see, I'm on Creative Blue at the moment, and today we are going to be building a swimming pool. And yeah, it might be lagging for a second there, but anyways, I'm going to show you what we're going to need. So what I'm going to use is, forgot I cleared my plot. Anyways, what we're going to need is I'm gonna need to use oak, glass. I'm also gonna use spruce planks, and I'm also gonna try and boost my volume up because you can probably hear a lawnmower in the background, which is coming from my neighbors. But anyways, so I've got you want oak wood, glass, spruce. I'm gonna use lapis, and I'm also gonna want glowstone right here. And I'm also going to want to use myself some stone and water. And I'm also going to get myself a swiftness potion here. Alright, so this is going to give me an 8-minute swiftness potion. Alright, so now, let's begin. So first, I'm going to dig a 4x4 square. I'm just going to dig out like this. Kinda might be lagging a bit, but that's okay. We can deal with that just for a bit. And you don't want such a big square. I'm not using very much of a big square for this. It's just going to be like a very small looking square. This will be good enough. This is going to be a good enough square to use. Alright, let's get all of this done. So here we go. This is our main. We've done the hole. So now all we need to do is just fill this in with water. All we need to do is fill in this. So we want to make sure this is all filled in, otherwise it won't work. There we go. This looks good. Alright. So now what we've done is we've done this. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making some diving boards. So we're going to firstly put one here, which is probably going to go here. I think the lag is because of Screencast-O-Matic. I have got two other screen recorders, which is Fraps and OBS, but I'm not sure how to actually get the video to work. So if anybody knows how to do that, please tell me in the comments. So we're going to have a small diving board here. I'm going to also get myself some ladders. I'm just going to go in here to my survival inventory. And go back to ladders again to get myself some more ladders here so that we can fill up this like this. There we go. So this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good so far. I think we'll just do one diving board. But, we can do another one if we want to. Because, I mean, if we do another one, I think it'll work a bit better. So let's just now. Alright, so I'm going to be building a swimming pool today. This is going to be a new series I'm going to do. And yes, I've already started. I've done a little diving board here, but we of course need to finish this. So I've decided to do this out of a video, and I'm now going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to fill in this here. So this is basically part 2. I've already started, so this is basically just a part 2. Yes, this is a part 2 of me building the swimming pool. So, of course, we're going to get all of this in like this. And this will probably be a bit of a shorter time. It's probably going to be shorter this time. Because I just started. I only just decided to start doing it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in some lights along the back here. I think will look pretty cool. So yeah, just one light there. One light will do. So there we go. So this looks pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. And now what I've decided to do is actually put in some glowstone lights. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to have some very fancy looking glowstone lights. I'm going to have them actually float in the air. So what I'm going to do, Because now I'm gonna make like a little bit of a, glowstone looking thing here. I'm gonna do that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in like a little bit. So there's only just gonna be one of these, just to make it look pretty cool. But these are gonna be floating lights. These are gonna be floating lights. So there's just one floating light there, just to do it and ignore the background noise, as I said. But there we go. There is our swimming pool. So it does look pretty cool. But I think, yeah, it just doesn't look as good as I wanted it to be. So if we just add this here, yeah, some lapis block, there we go. So that is a good looking swimming pool to me. So if you guys enjoyed, like and comment, and I'll see you next video. Bye.